Thank you for watching the video this far through. This is just a quick video on these dog lead holders I've recently made and customised with the dog's name. I think the outcome looks really good. You can go with the single hook or you can go with the double hook, and you don't even have to go black. You could go for a different colour as well if you want to add that on. So as you see, it's simple using burning gel to burn on the design of the dog silhouette. Then I just used a cry cut to cut out the name. You know, really simple, quick and easy project really. I'm really happy on how this came out. If you could smash that subscribe button, that would be great, and it would help out the channel. And I'll see you on the next one. If you enjoyed this video, then if you could check out the video over here, this will also be another quick project which hopefully you also enjoy. And thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.